ever wondered about the bread on the Grand Strand? And I don't mean this bread. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Surfside Beach, right here in South Carolina. We're gonna bring you Benjamin's Bagels Bakery that delivers most of the bread along the Grand Strand. Let's go check it out. Alrighty, so we are in Benjamin Bagels, and look at that. Looks like chocolate chip cookies. Got some donut holes. Yummy. Look at those. And we're supposed to be on a diet, but we did have to come check this place out. And look at those. What's that, Beatbox? Peanut butter cookies. Yum.
Butter.
For 12 pack for $12. I'm gonna see if I can get some for Beatbox. And look at this delicious sourdough bread and rye bread and all that. So they even have catering, coffee. They have a little bit of everything. And they have sodas that you can get out the can. And I guess they brew their own tea and everything. So I'm excited. I can't wait to see how delicious and ooey gooey it is. It says, please do not stand or crowd this area, so I'm gonna get on out. And since it was so crowded in there, we decided to sit outside. Well, I wanted to try their croissants, but I ended up with, it looks like rye bread, which I like that too. So I got chicken salad on rye bread. I have to come back one day and try their croissants because I heard they're delicious and out of this world.
So I got Lily's Philly, and I'm telling you, it came with jalapenos, and that thing is hot as fire.
Look at that cheese though.
It is. Now it's great. It's good now. It's real good.
And you should feel this bread. It's so soft and ooey and gooey. It's just magnificent.
Magnifico. And it comes with, and I've got the pasta salad.
And I
What'd you
went
get?
with the cucumber salad.
Cucumber salad? All right. And they give you some kind of like this Melba toast.
It's bagel chips.
It's bagel chips? And they're pretty good.
They are. Good and crunchy.
Crunchy. All right, now what do you have in that bag?
All right, so I made Beatbox go back and get me their croissants. Look at that.
Good night.
Look how
big.
huge and fluffy. So I bet you it is delicious whenever they put it on chicken salad. But guess what? That's what I'm gonna go home and do. Isn't that huge? Sweet. And they only make a few.
And they only bake a few a day, right?
That's right. So they will run out fast, but it's okay. I do like rye bread, and I love some croissants. It's as big as my face.
And what is that in there? Did you already tell them?
Nope. And I also got a blueberry pastry, which if you could smell it again,
see there.
This is so decadent. Look at that. It's like super amazing.
What the heck? Now that's ooey gooey.
And it is so soft. I don't know if you could see that.
Yeah,
but
you gonna take a bite?
No,
Oh,
you want a bite?
No, not right now.
That'll be at midnight.
I'm
snack.
driving.
Yeah, don't eat sweets and drive. Well, they're located right here behind Bragadas in Surfside. You'll look down the street right there. Past that blue truck is Bragadas.
That's right.
And we're on 3rd Avenue South, right here in Surfside.
Are we?
Alrighty. And it looks like the sun's coming out. So if you like what you saw, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button so you can share the love. And until next time, keep beaching. We'll see you in the next video. Our baby restaurant. And we're gonna bring you the company that we're gonna bring you the bakery that delivers all the food. No. Say it's 68.
Look, you could have parked 3 of those cars in here.
That's true. Ever wondered about the bread along the Grand Strand? Why it's so yummy and delicious? And I'm not talking this kind of bread. Wait, that's not right. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones. And
Beachin.
you ready? And then you're gonna hey y'all, hey. You made me laugh.